In this video, you'll learn how to add the WOTD and CryptoBox icons to the Binance app. By following these steps, you will customize your home screen for quicker access to these features. Begin by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. Ensure that you have the latest version of the app installed, as updates can include new features and improvements. Once the app is open, remain on the home screen where various feature icons are displayed. Look for an option labeled Edit, Customize, or Manage Icons. Selecting this option opens the customization panel, allowing you to rearrange or add quick access features. Next, scroll through the list of available feature icons within the customization panel. Here you will find the WOTD and CryptoBox icons among other optional tools. To enable these features, tap the Add or Enable button located next to each respective icon. After adding them, you can drag the icons to your desired position on the home screen for easy access. It is advisable to avoid overcrowding your interface with unused tools. Once you are satisfied with your layout, make sure to save or confirm the changes to activate the icons. After saving your layout, return to the Binance home screen to confirm that the WOTD and CryptoBox icons are now visible. Tap each icon to ensure that they open correctly and function as expected. If the icons do not appear immediately, refreshing the app can help. In some cases, you may need to restart the app for the changes to take effect. Keeping the app updated is essential for retaining access to these features and ensuring optimal performance. This process not only enhances your experience with the Binance app, but also provides quick access to features that may be useful for tracking daily trends and cryptocurrency updates. Always check your app for updates regularly to benefit from new functionalities and improvements. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.